This is my semi-abandoned 1M clone, and we're gonna be restoring it in this video today.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
I have a mountain of parts just literally sitting, and my 1M bumper has actually been here for a couple of months. It's been off the car ever since I took off those headlights, but we're gonna be taking it to a body shop because I actually messed it up. I was trying to get in a steep driveway and it like ripped out with the screw, so we got to fix this tab. I could do it, but it's honestly just easier to give it to a body shop and a little bit cheaper, and it'll save a bunch of time. So we're gonna take care of that today. To be honest with y'all, this whole video from the start was a disaster. Not only did this brake job that was supposed to take one quick day turn into an absolute disaster, but your boy spent days of recording and ain't get not one drop of audio.
Bruh, you tripping?
Out of anything. My mic on my camera is literally toasted. Can't use it, so I had to throw that junk in the trash. So basically I gotta go back all and show you guys, basically do a whole debrief of basically what I recorded without knowing exactly what I said word for word. But the show must go on, you guys. I gotta drop off this bumper because it needs to get fixed, like I said in the previous clips. And then all this, I'm just rambling, talking, thinking I have nice amazing audio for you guys, and I don't have jack shit. And I had to bleep that out because I'm genuinely pissed. But like I said, the show must go on. Your boy tried to do some breaks and it ain't go too well. Today we're gonna be taking a break from the wagon, focusing on the 1 series. I got a brake job, a long overdue brake job that I need to do on this car, and it doesn't help that the car has also been sitting on jack stands for the whole winter. But you guys can see, like, my rotors are rusted. Like, yeah, you can see it on the caliper and everything. It's just rusted. This car needs so much love, and we're gonna be trying to tackle that today. This brake job is actually still ongoing even when you're seeing this video. Goal is hopefully we can finish the brakes, and then we can take the 437Ms that are sitting currently on the wagon and put them on the 1 series. I really want to get this car back on the road because the headlights are coming in a few days, and bro, I just miss driving this car. Like, just seeing how wide this thing is and how wide I made it. It's just, this car is such a beautiful car, and I hate to let it just sit like this. But your boy has been so focused on the wagon, and you guys can like just look at this. Like, oh, look how wide this car is. I love this little car. But I need you guys help. So like, this car needs a lot of work, I would say. But really, one of the things I've been looking at is a new intercooler, because the intercooler I have on it right now is like, it doesn't really look that well, as you guys can see. Well, I'm about to zoom into it right now. What do you guys think I should do? Should I go upgrade it, like 7-inch intercooler and nice silver, give a nice look to the front end? I've been thinking about it. I've seen some on eBay for like 200 bucks, and I'm like, maybe it's not that bad of a steal. You know what I mean? I think I'm probably gonna order that in the future. Please comment below, let me know what I should do. But also, man, this car needs a lot of love and cleaning. I booked a detail for it next week because, man, look at this. God, all the leaves, everything. This car has been sitting for a while. I literally built this car and literally abandoned it the same day. But I also want to get rid of those twin turbos. I low-key really want to go single turbo, but I can't really worry about all that until we take care of all the other maintenance and basically get this car back into road shape. But also diagnosed the coolant leak. You can see that I have all bolts and stuff here just laying around from when I took off the bumper for the headlights. These are the new rotors that I'll be running. I showed them in a previous video when I first got them. I got new pads, I got new brake shoes, everything. Like, we're gonna swap out everything on this car because I should not be having a nice looking car like this sitting so ugly on rusted parts and whatnot. So hopefully today goes as planned. These brake pads are from eBay. I got a cheap set of rotors and pads from eBay, and it was a nice little set. It was around 400 bucks. Comes with literally everything you need. That's all for the brake shoes. So quickly off camera, I had already started on this side just because it's gonna be hard for me to really record this side for you guys to see. But I started right here, and you can see I got it off, but everything's like pretty rusted. Like, look at the caliper. Like, everything's just in bad shape. There's like, this car also sat for 3 years as well, so not all the rust is on me, but you guys can see I don't see the last time they changed this stuff out. Like, even the pads are really rusted. Like, it's just like, even the bolts too. So I went ahead and I called BMW and I ordered all new bolts just because if I'm installing new stuff, I don't want to deal with these old rusted bolts. So I went ahead, called them, got that ordered. It will be here in like a day or two, but you guys can just literally look at everything. They just rusted, like, bad. Like, I thought I was about to strip this, honestly. I quickly want to show you guys the rear because I knew when I bought this car that it was rusted underneath, but like, it just like is getting really worse. Like, you guys could see it's like all over the suspension as well. It's just rusted like very bad. And believe it or not though, I've had a new subframe. It's not really new, it's used, but I got it on eBay. I had a new subframe that has been sitting for like 9 months now that I knew I had to replace when I got the car, but like, I was so focused on trying to make it a 1M clone that I put it on the back burner, you know what I mean? But I'm thinking now maybe it's time that we start putting together the subframe while it's off the car so that we can just bolt the rusted one down and then put the new one right up with all the parts. I'm in a bit of a dilemma when it comes to that, and we'll talk about that further along in the video because of I'm just torn between what to do. So at this point in the video, this is where things really got worse and bad for me. I tried tackling the rear side of the side that I showed you guys at where it's hard to film, and literally the pins on these rear calipers, I don't know what was done to them, but I could not bang them out for anything. I even cut them out. I tried drilling them out, and your boy was getting no luck. So I literally got a blessing from God. I was able to source some new, not really new, but I was able to source some calipers for pretty cheap, $275 for the rears for both of them. And your boy just had to drive 3 hours up to New Hampshire for that. So I quickly, with the swiftness, packed my truck up, and I went, picked my girl up, and I was like, babe, let's go, because I got to buy some parts. I need this. This car cannot be sitting for too long, so we got to figure this out. So we scored on the calipers. Now they're not in the best paint condition, but they will solve our problem, and it was good that I got them for a decent price and was able to pick them up literally next day. I never recorded that I got my bumper back, but as you guys can see, it is fixed. Now it was just easier to just drop it off to a body shop and have them tackle it, but I really wanted to show you guys why I got a new caliper. So this caliper was so fucked. I don't know what they did, but I had to drill out the pins, and as you can see on that one right there, that pin, let me see, it's still in there pretty good. I don't know why it's not focusing, but even though I drilled it, it's still in there nice and tight. No clue why. You can see it in there, but I want to show you guys the difference. So in these new calipers I picked up, you guys can see the pins very clearly, and you see how they go in and out very smooth, right? My pin didn't have this part right here, that part around it, and I'm sure that I think whoever owned the car before me like just literally sent the pins, and like now it's basically stuck. So I had to do all that work when pins should just be in and out removal. So yeah, your boy now has to do a complete rear caliper swap, and I'm just thinking, right? I need you guys' help. Should I, since I already have the calipers off on one side and I have to replace the new rear ones, should I just paint them? Should I repaint them the factory gray, or should I paint them red to match the taillights, because I have no red on this car? So I need you guys to comment below and let me know what I should do, and we should go from there. I'll get this video out for you guys. It's probably gonna be a 2-3 part video. I also fucked up because I left this car uncovered and it rained a little bit, and it is what it is. But I also realized that the suspension is actually a little bit worse than I thought. So hear me out here and tell me if this is a bad idea, right? Because I'm building the wagon, I can't go full out and build the suspension how I want to. So should I go cheap parts for now, just to get rid of the rusted parts, and to at least have a peace of mind when driving this car, and then later on down the road I upgrade into better quality parts when the wagon's done and I'm not spending more money on it, and then we have extra funds to just basically rebuild this whole subframe. Now remember, I have a replacement one, so that'd be clutch, and we can do the bushings. Do the bushings right away, so like I can upgrade the bushings right away, so when we install it we don't have to worry about that again. But should I go cheap suspension parts just to get rid of the rusted ones, and then we upgrade later on down the road? So I need you guys to comment below, is that a good idea? And also let me know what brake caliper color I should do. But that's probably gonna be it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one.